Hello people, welcome back to the channel. We are currently on /road in the Francis Marion National Forest. We have fought our way through multiple mud pits in the process of getting to this location. The problem now, in order to get back out, we have to go through the same mud pits in reverse order. Please come along for the adventure. So you ask, how did we get in this situation? Here's a little from part 1.
Uh-oh! Oh, shit! Oh, shit! That's it!
If you like to see how that ended, please check out the link to part 1 in the upper corner.
You guys good? Let's get it.
That was one of the many mud pits we will have to cross again. If you like this type of content, please like, comment, and subscribe to help us create more videos. You are appreciated. This is the 2026 Toyota 4Runner TRD Pro. This is the 2022 Toyota 4Runner TRD Pro King Remote Reservoir, shocks with cambered upper control arms, and rear stabilizer bar relocation mount. Hokey road bumper, rough country 12K winch, Sherpa roof rack, and Westcott rock sliders. This thing is a beast.
That's a monster flood. You see that one?
This is the 2025 Toyota 4Runner Trail Hunter. With our newly acquired mud pit experience, we should be able to work our way out of here in half the time.
How y'all just driving through the shit like it ain't nothing? Motherfucking slime tear the shit out of you though. Yeah, it does. That's the big one to go, that's it. This that terrible one. Or this that terrible one. After all that shit, I might need to go back to Savannah and rent. Maybe that wasn't a terrible one.
depth of these holes really doesn't come through on video. This one was at least 2 to 3 feet deep at the center.
Big hole on the left. All right, got a big ditch in the middle. I think I got some front skid plate on that one. No, sir. Goddamn green gobbling in the house. There's a turnaround spot right there if you want to go back. Monster ditch coming up on the, you see it. If your shit look like it don't care.
Francis Marion National Forest doesn't owe us a thing. It's nothing like experiencing the peacefulness of nature in a national forest while hitting challenging trails with partners who have you back if things get sketchy. This was the first of many trips. After surviving the low country, the mountains will be next. Everyone should get out and enjoy nature. Be it national parks, national forest, state parks, or your local city park, just get out. Mission complete. We have made it to the end of Slash Road. Thank you for joining us on this journey. Please like, comment, and subscribe. We will see you on our next adventure